Hiccup.
The peanut butter for Hiccups probably smells a little bit better than the porcupine anus.
What, you do that?
Well, that's what Bo did.
Bo had to do what?
He tried everything, including smelling a
porcupine's ass is like a homeopathic.
That's what he said.
That's somewhere down there by Auburn. That's somewhere down there by Auburn.
Country shit. I tried everything. I tried smelling a porcupine's ass.
Bo's funny.
I imagine some guy, they're like, what are you doing? He's like, oh, trying to get rid of my hiccups.
Trying to get rid of my fucking hiccups, man.
Give me that porcupine.
Yeah, I forgot about that. That works.